southeastern Paulding County, northeastern Van Wert County, western Putnam County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Van Wert, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado.
Oh my God.
This storm has a history of producing multiple destructive tornadoes.
Oh my God.
Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near. Cal Idaho Continental around 7:30 p.m. Potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.